Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So I am doing so much better, you guys. As you guys know, I have been under the weather for the past week and a half, 2 weeks, and my team did such an amazing job putting together the events for the week that I was out. I cannot wait to share both of them with you guys. But in the meantime, I am going to be doing this super quick, super easy DIY. It is a rose letter bouquet. And I just think it's so cute. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. Be sure to watch the video to the end. And if you like tutorials like this, definitely join me in Luxe Academy. I will leave more information about it at the end of the video. So I will see you there. Okay, you guys, so first things first, I picked up these envelopes from Amazon. They came in black and white and pink and white. They also had them in like a turquoise blue color. I thought these were really cute vessels for Valentine's Day because they are recyclable. So once you finish using them, you can also recycle them as well. It just takes a little bit to get them put together. I left the letter part open because I wanted you to get that whole love letter feel. And then I'm not sure if I connected the bottom half right, but I'm going to go ahead and add in the wet oasis so that it can stand up. Now, as you guys can see by itself, it is a little bit too long, so I'm going to measure it against the actual envelope and I'm going to insert it inside of the envelope. Now, I will recommend for you guys to use floral paper to keep the water from dropping out, but I didn't have any on hand. Neither did my local store have any in, so I went ahead with it. Now, the second thing you want to do is to start greening out your oasis because flowers are really expensive. And so I decided to use a little bit more greenery. I am using some leather leaf here. I don't really like to use it a lot because it does not give you that luxury feel. So you guys will see me go in and kind of hide it with some of the other greenery pieces and roses that I'm using as well. And once I finish greening it out, I'm just kind of designing by feel. I really have like, I don't want to say place this one here, place that one there. This is just a very organic letter. I'm just going to let my love flow as I place the pieces, the different greenery pieces and roses in, and you guys can kind of follow along with me.
You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. Hey, you know I dream about you night and day. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, even if you are 100 miles away, I can't live without you, breathe. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give
I have all of the berries and roses pretty much in place. I am absolutely loving it. Again, as I mentioned, you guys, real flowers are getting really expensive, even silk ones. So you can do this with the silk one as well. I would recommend that too. But I just think it's a beautiful love letter bouquet, an expression of your love. And I used 12 roses here, and I just absolutely love the way that it turned out. Such a beautiful expression of love. And as you can see, you can really barely see the leather leaf that I added in. I just really needed to use it as a filler. Now I'm going to add in a ribbon. You can also include a card, you know, whether it's like to or from this person or that person or whatever. I just kind of playing around with the ribbon, and I didn't know if I want to add it to the top of the bouquet and kind of let the tails of the ribbon cascade over, or if I, you know, when I stepped back, it looked just a little bit overwhelming, and so I decided to add it down near the bottom of the bouquet. And you could also include your card and everything in there as well, and it makes it look more like a gift. So you guys let me know which one you like better. Do you like the bow in the top and maybe a smaller ribbon, or down at the bottom and leave it the larger ribbon size? You guys let me know, and let me know how you like this super quick, super easy, fresh flower DIY. It would be great for Mother's Day too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. As I mentioned, I have several classes in Luxe Academy. So if you guys are interested in taking my Valentine's Day bundle, it is only $97. And the great thing is that it extends beyond Valentine's Day. I give you everything that you need in it, from contracts to your pricing, packages. I show you guys step by step how I decorate everything and what I did behind the scenes, so you'll get to see that as well. I put together charcuterie boards and so much more. So it is definitely worth the $97. And what I mean by it extends beyond Valentine's Day, you could use it for proposals, anniversaries, the list goes on. So don't think that, you know, once Valentine's Day is over, that is no use anymore, because that couldn't be the furthest thing from the truth. So definitely check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And let me know if you would be doing the black and white one or the pink and white one. All the links to everything that I use can be found down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you consider being a part of Luxe Academy and being a part of, you know, my whole school program, because I teach and share so many things. I do have an in-person class coming up on April 30th. And if you've taken the online version, I always give you 50% off of the in-person class. So definitely check it out. I love you guys. Take care, and I will see you soon.